Hi, this is Robin, and welcome to my discussion on color modes. First, we're going to start off with the primary colors. The primary colors are a group of colors from which all other colors can be obtained by mixing. The primary colors are red, yellow, blue. No colors can be mixed to make them. However, all other colors can be made from them. Moving on, we're going to go to tertiary colors. And a tertiary color is a color that is made by combining a primary color with a secondary color next to it on the color wheel. The six main ones are yellow-orange, red-orange, red-violet, blue-violet, green, blue-green, and yellow-green. Next, we're going to move on to the triads. This is a color scheme comprised of any three colors evenly spaced around the color wheel. They'll form a triangle on the color wheel. The most simplest of these would be red, yellow, and blue, or green, orange, and purple, which are the secondary colors. Next, we're going to move on to analogous colors. And those are any one of a group of three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. An example would be blue, blue-violet, and violet. And here my examples show the oranges, the green, yellows, and the purples. And then around the color wheel on the third example are all the different ones that you can get. Next, we have color temperature. Color temperature is used to describe how warm or cool a color is compared to others. On the color wheel, colors on the red, orange, and yellow side of the color wheel are considered warm, making the ones on the blue, green, and purple side the cool colors. And we have pictures here showing the cool colors and the warm colors. Next, we have saturated colors. Saturated colors are the intensity of the color. Saturation defines a range from pure color at 100% to gray, which is 0%. A fully saturated color is one of pure color. They are usually vivid and bright. Next, we move on to desaturated, dark, and light colors. Desaturated colors are more muted and duller than saturated colors. They make it easier to look at than a design with only saturated colors. Desaturated dark colors give off a more serious tone, and desaturated light colors convey a more friendly tone. Next, we have the RGB scale. RGB stands for red, green, blue. This color wheel should be used when designing for anything displayed on a monitor or screen. All colors are made on the display are created by how much saturation each color displays. Each of the three colors have a 0 to 255 value, with 0 being off and 255 being on. This is considered an additive color model. Next, we have CMYK. CMYK is used for creating designs that are to be printed with ink. It stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. This is called a four-color or full-color process. The colors are layered to create the desired color on the printed page. CMYK is a subtractive color model. I included a comparison picture of what you would see online for RGB and how it will print with CMYK. Next, we have spot color, and spot colors are colors that are pre-mixed inks that you can choose from a swatch book. This way, you are not building the color. The definition is a color printed from printing plate which contains one matched color of ink. These are your, Pantone is the one who makes the matching system, and these are your Pantone colors, and they are used worldwide. Next, we have hexadecimal color, and this is a web-based color specification system using numbers and letters to designate the RGB light formula. Each color has a 2-digit code ranging from 00 to FF. The hexadecimal color for coral is pound FF7FS0. The downside to using this is that the colors might not translate correctly on all screens, so it is not very accurate. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I'll see you again next time.